SEO is dead, affiliate marketing is dead, blogging, long gone. That's what everyone is screaming right now. But let's be real, SEO isn't dead. Your content strategy is. The problem isn't Google, it's not AI. It's the way you're writing articles that don't deserve to rank. What if you've been doing it all wrong? Are you using ChatGPT for SEO content? Of course, ChatGPT isn't the best when it comes to writing search engine optimized articles. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best AI tools for creating content that not only ranks but also satisfies user intent. I am talking about SEO-Writing.AI. Now, take a look at the article on my screen. This tool didn't just generate a blog post. It created an entire content-rich article for me, complete with competitor analysis, videos, and images in one click. One of the standout features I love is the readability option. It allows you to set the overall readability level of your blog post. So whether you're writing for beginners or experts, the tone and structure can be perfectly tailored. And here's the real deal. Unlike most AI tools that pull surface-level data, this one scours the deep web, verifying its information with reliable citations. That means you're not just getting content, you're getting accurate, well-researched, and credible content that ranks and banks. With SEO Writing's latest seamless AI editor, brand new content score, and competitor analysis feature, it's simply on another level. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating an SEO-optimized blog post with images and videos in one click. To get started, the first step is signing up for a completely free account on SEO Writing. Here's what the sign-up homepage looks like. You can sign up with Google, or you use the sign-up form. All you have to do is fill in a bit of information. No credit card required. It is super quick and easy. Once you've signed up and logged in, this is what the home dashboard will look like. The unique one-click blog post feature lets you generate high-quality, ready-to-publish articles in just minutes. For even more efficiency, the bulk article feature allows you to programmatically create up to 100 SEO-optimized articles at once. Simply enter your keywords manually or import them using an Excel sheet. Let me walk you through my usual workflow. First, I go to the left-hand side and click on One-Click Blog Post. After clicking, this is the screen you'll see. At the top, you'll find a box labeled Main Keyword. This is where you enter the main topic or keyword for your blog article. For example, if you're creating content around camping, think about related keywords like camping gear for men. If you need help coming up with keyword ideas, you can use tools like SEMrush, Google Gemini, or ChatGPT. But personally, I don't rely on them for generating full blog content. Next, enter your blog title, or let the AI generate one for you. If you're not satisfied with the AI-generated title, you can either regenerate a new one or manually tweak it to better match your tone or topic. It's super flexible, so you're always in control of how your content starts. Once you've added your title, scroll down to the Core Settings section. Here's where you'll start tailoring your blog post. Choose your preferred language and tone. I usually leave it on friendly, but for this particular blog, I want it to sound more informative. Select the point of view you want the blog written in. For me, I prefer second person, you, your, yours, because it feels more personal and engaging. Set your target country. In my case, I'll choose the United States. I will leave article type and article size the way it is. Now, let's talk about one of the features I really love, readability. This controls how easy it is for someone to read your blog post. It's super important, especially if you're creating content for platforms like Google, where users tend to skim quickly. If your blog is too hard to read, you might lose your audience and as well your ads revenue. You can go with the recommended setting or do your own research based on your niche and audience. Personally, I just select the recommended readability level for most cases. Humanize your content by cutting off notable AI words. For the AI model, I'll select the DeepSeek plus SEPR AI model. It was released recently and performed quite well compared to other models. Now select a brand voice. This tool lets you create unique styles and tones for different situations using something called brand voice. It helps your content stay consistent across every post. To create a unique brand voice for your article or to imitate the style of a particular brand, click Create Brand Voice. There are 3 ways you can do this using the SEO-Writing.AI tool. Embed an article. Provide a web page or article link. Upload a document showcasing their style. Just make sure you have the proper rights to use any content you submit. Watch as I quickly show you how to set up a custom brand voice for your article. Now, if you're writing for a business or website, you can include relevant details like phone numbers, address, or any specific info here. The SEO writing tool will then incorporate them directly into the article, which is super useful. You can choose to include AI-generated images by selecting the number and style. In this case, I will select 4 images and choose the photo style for a more realistic image. You can select the image resolution of your choice, but I will leave it as it is. You can watermark your images with the name of your brand or website. Read through the checkboxes and choose the one that applies to your needs. For instance, I want an informative alt text for my images, so I will check it. You should embed YouTube videos in your article because it adds extra value and makes the post more engaging. But if you prefer a cleaner layout, you can choose no. For this article, I will include 3 YouTube videos. Also, I want all media to be placed under my headings or subheadings. Under SEO, you'll see a button called NLP Keywords Generation. No extra work needed. The tool will automatically generate SEO-optimized keywords for your article. The blog structure section lets you add a hook to your article, like a question, quote, stat, or story. For this blog, I'm going with a statistical hook, since it fits the topic well. You'll also see options like conclusion, tables, lists, H3 subheadings, key takeaways, quotes, bolded facts. I usually select yes to all because it creates a well-structured and visually appealing article. For internal linking, you can add your website here to automatically index your site and include relevant links within your content. Simply select a website, and this AI's semantic search will identify the best pages to link to. This not only helps boost your SEO, but also improves your site's crawlability. For external linking, this tool automatically integrates authoritative and relevant links into your content. You also have the option to manually specify any links you want to include. Want to ensure your article is accurate and up-to-date? Turn on the Deep Web feature. This is where the accuracy of your article really levels up. This ensures your content is based on real, reliable sources, something most AI tools don't offer. The information in your article is pulled from the web using reliable sources that are cited at the bottom. Now that all your settings are ready, scroll to the top and hit Run. In just a few minutes, your full blog post will be ready. Let's take a look at what it created. For example, it generated a post titled 5 Essential Camping Gears for Men. It includes images, which you can swap by clicking the little refresh icon. Key takeaways, lists, embedded YouTube videos, and FAQs. It's clean, informative, and looks great. SEO-Writing.AI now has a new feature that allows you to connect your WordPress website and publish directly without leaving the platform. You should definitely check it out. You can also copy the content and paste it in your blog. Now, let's talk about subscriptions. SEO Writing. AI offers a free version that lets you generate articles at no cost. Then there's the starter pack for $19 a month and the professional pack for $79 a month. You can actually save 25% by using my coupon code as shown in your screen. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Be sure to take advantage of that discount. At the end of the day, your content strategy is only as effective as the tools you use and how well you use them. If you're serious about growth, visibility, and delivering real value to your audience, now's the time to level up. I highly recommend subscribing to one of the pro plans on SEO-Writing.AI. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to create high-quality, SEO-driven content that actually ranks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on powerful insights like this. See you in the next one.